All right, so let me show you how to check your TIN number and how to verify your TIN number. Maybe you are not too sure if your TIN number is accurate and you want to know what you can do. So the first thing for you is to come to task. This is firs.gov.ng. You come to this website now. So you come here, but before coming here, you make sure that you already have your issued FIRS number TIN with you. So the TIN number can be personal, like I have my own personal TIN number, okay, and it can also be corporate. You can have for a business. But for you to verify whether this TIN number is correct, is accurate, is whatever it may be, all you just need to do is to come to firs.gov.ng, firs.gov.ng, then you click on verify TIN. So let me bring you back here again. Okay, so now the site has loaded again, right? You come down to verify TIN. Okay, so you can include this verified TIN about taxes if you want any of these information services. TIN verification, you come to TIN verification, tax resources. You can see, so whatever you just want, come down here, you'll be able to have access to it. So we are going to be verifying TIN number. So if you want to verify TIN number, you come to this place, TIN verification. So maybe you are working in the account office, you want to know or you want to be sure that the TIN number you want to make payment into is the right TIN number, or you just want to confirm if what was issued to you is exactly what is in the database. This is just what you need to do. So when you come here, you put your tax, you select the criteria, that's tax identification number. Then here you can now put in the digit. Understand? You put in the digit. So I'm just going to put a random figure. I'm not expecting it to pop out anything. Okay, I'm not using anybody's information. So just put it here. So let's see what it's going to give us now. Okay, you see, TIN not found. Why? Because this is not a real person's or a real account TIN number. So, but if you have the right TIN number, go ahead, put it here, and click on Start Verification. That will help you have the TIN number displayed the way and the name that it was using the registration. So that is just it about TIN number verification with FIRS. So if you have need for other information, just go ahead, you can browse through the site, come to the frequently asked questions to check some other things you may need. Just come here, you do that. Once all this is done, we are good to go. Okay, so that's all. All right, thank you.